From the soil of the earth to your glass. This is the incredible high-tech journey of pomegranate juice.
Safeguarding. For high-quality pomegranate juice, only mature, deeply colored pomegranates are selected, ensuring optimal.
Every bottle of pomegranate juice begins here, deep in fertile soil, where pomegranates mature naturally under the sun. Only fully ripened pomegranates are selected to ensure rich, flavorful pomegranate juice. Freshly harvested pomegranates are carefully collected to protect the quality of pomegranate juice. Speed matters. Pomegranates are transported quickly to preserve freshness for pomegranate juice production. This controlled journey ensures every pomegranate reaches the factory in peak condition. This is where raw fruit begins its transformation into premium pomegranate juice. Automation ensures speed, hygiene, and consistency in pomegranate juice processing. Only top-grade fruit qualifies for high-quality pomegranate juice. Now, the journey of pomegranate juice moves forward into cleaning and preparation. Advanced sensors inspect every pomegranate before it becomes pomegranate juice.
The first step inside the factory is deep washing, ensuring every pomegranate is perfectly clean before becoming pomegranate juice.
Soft industrial brushes gently scrub the surface, protecting the fruit while preparing it for pomegranate juice extraction. Multiple rinse stages remove even microscopic impurities before pomegranate juice processing continues.
This gentle sanitation step eliminates bacteria without affecting the natural flavor of pomegranate juice.
Excess moisture is removed to maintain purity and control during pomegranate juice production.
Human expertise adds an extra layer of quality control for premium pomegranate juice.
Only flawless pomegranates move forward to become high-grade pomegranate juice. This buffer zone stabilizes flow before extraction begins for pomegranate juice. Precision feeding guarantees consistent texture and yield in pomegranate juice processing. Next, the real transformation begins, where pomegranates are opened to release the heart of pomegranate juice. This is the moment where the pomegranate opens, exposing the rich core that becomes pomegranate juice. Vibration technology separates the precious areoles, the true source of pure pomegranate juice. Air separation ensures only clean areoles move forward for pomegranate juice extraction. A final rinse guarantees purity before pressing pomegranate juice. Controlled feeding protects flavor and color in pomegranate juice production. Cold pressing gently releases nutrients and flavor into premium pomegranate juice. This is freshly extracted pomegranate juice, untouched and vibrant. Every part is utilized efficiently in modern pomegranate juice factories. Filtration refines texture while preserving the natural strength of pomegranate juice. Now stabilized and refined, pomegranate juice is ready for the main processing line. To make pomegranate juice safe and shelf-stable, precise heat treatment begins. Temperature and time are carefully controlled to protect the natural quality of pomegranate juice. Rapid cooling locks in color, flavor, and nutrients inside pomegranate juice. Blending ensures uniform taste and consistency in every batch of pomegranate juice. Real-time monitoring guarantees balance and purity in pomegranate juice. Oxygen exposure is minimized to preserve the freshness of pomegranate juice. Every movement of pomegranate juice is precisely timed and automated.
Samples are tested continuously to maintain premium pomegranate juice standards.
Now, pomegranate juice enters its final journey toward bottling and packaging. Only approved batches move forward to become final pomegranate juice products. Before filling, every bottle is sterilized to protect the purity of pomegranate juice.
Precision filling ensures the exact amount of pomegranate juice in every bottle.
Controlled cooling stabilizes pomegranate juice after filling. Automated vision systems inspect every bottle of pomegranate juice. Only flawless pomegranate juice bottles move ahead. Brand identity is applied to every bottle of pomegranate juice. Finished pomegranate juice bottles are now ready for final packing. Traceability is essential for high-quality pomegranate juice. The journey of pomegranate juice is almost complete.
After sealing, pomegranate juice enters the logistics phase of its journey.
Automation ensures safe and efficient handling of pomegranate juice cartons. Every pallet of pomegranate juice is digitally tracked from factory to market.
Temperature control preserves the freshness of pomegranate juice before dispatch.
Now, pomegranate juice is ready to leave the factory.
Careful loading protects pomegranate juice during long-distance transport.
Each shipment of pomegranate juice is sealed for safety and quality.
From here, pomegranate juice travels across cities and regions.
After a long high-tech journey, pomegranate juice reaches the consumer.
This is the final result: pure, fresh pomegranate juice. Thank you for watching the incredible journey of pomegranate juice. If you enjoyed this factory tour, subscribe to our channel for more high-tech industrial stories.